Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to transfer contacts from an Android phone to an iPhone. First things first, you want to come over to your Android phone, head over to the settings of your Android phone, and then from the settings you just want to scroll down until you find the Google option over here. Go ahead and select that. Now once it opens up, at the top you should be able to find your email and your name, but what you want to do is to select on the all services option over here, and then you just want to continuously scroll down until you get to the Google Contact Sync, which is over here. So go ahead and select Google Contact Sync. Now at this point you want to select on the status option over here, and then make sure that Google Contact Sync is turned on. You also want to click on this refresh button so that all of your contacts will be synced into your Google account. So you want to just click on this refresh button, and as you can see, mine has just synced to my Google account, and I currently have 5 contacts on this phone and they have all been synced into this Google account. The next thing you want to do is to come over to your iPhone, and then on your iPhone you want to go ahead and open up the Mail app on your iPhone. If you do not find it here, you can go over to the iOS App Store and then just search and download Mail app. It is actually the default application for mails on iPhone. So you just want to go ahead and open up that application on your iPhone. So just click on the accept and continue button over here, and then you want to select on the Google option. So select Google, and now you just want to proceed to sign into the same Google account that is shown on your Android phone here. So make sure you sign into the same Google account on your iPhone as well. So I'll go ahead and sign into mine, and just like so, I should be signed into this Google account on the mail application. So you want to click on the continue button over here, click on continue. Now once you get this pop-up, you just want to click on the settings button over here, and it is going to take you to this page. First of all, you want to make sure that contacts over here is turned on, and then you also want to make sure that mail as well is actually turned on. Once this is done, you're good to go. You can now go back to the mail application on your iPhone, click on the allow, and then just give it any other permission it requires. You're also going to get another prompt asking you to give it access to your contacts. So click on continue, and then also click on the share all contacts over here. This actually includes my contacts directly on this iPhone already. Now finally, if you go over to the contacts application on your iPhone, if I open it up now, here I'm going to see all of the contacts on my iPhone, including the contacts I have actually transferred from my Android to the iPhone. So if I click on the list option over here, you can see that all mail, we have actually 5 contacts, which are actually the same contacts that we have actually transferred from the Android phone into the iPhone. So if I come over here where I have the Google Sync, you're going to see now that actually 5 contacts were synced, and actually these are the 5 contacts now on my iPhone. So once you click on the list button at the top of your iPhone, you want to make sure that you select all contacts. So it is going to add the contacts that are already on your iPhone, including the contacts that were actually sent from your Android phone into your iPhone. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.